All right, the storm has hit, and fortunately, I got everything up that I was looking to get up. Got the gutter up today. Got the the flashing yesterday. Not the flashing, the aluminum cover yesterday. Today, the hard part was just getting the gutter up there. I was able to tie it to my second ladder and then hoist it up that way. Had to go to Home Depot though to pick up the 6-inch spacers as well as the gutter covers, 6 inches, which I did not think I was going to find. Had a hard time on Amazon, had a difficult time on Home Depot's main website, but I went into Home Depot, was actually able to find it there, which I was ecstatic about. So I was able to reuse the 6-inch gutter that I actually did have, and so got everything up there, got the tarring done, got the caulking done, and so probably the last piece is actually directly above me. So part of the gutter cover is still going out a little bit. Just need to cut that off, drill a hole in it, and then anchor that in, and then I'll be good. But very happy to see that I have a working gutter now. There's no water leaking on the side up here. Remember, everything was kind of tilted this way. It was dumping water on the deck. So everything's running, as you can see down here. If I can get a good angle, you actually see the water actually running out. So I am happy. So gutter project just about done. We're about 98% done. So just got to grab that one piece, cut it, put it in place, then I'll be good. All right, got the last piece cut out. Used some tin snips to cut that out, and then had to drill a hole so I could anchor right there. So all done. And with the rain, I almost finished just in time, but I finished just enough in time. I'm not getting downpoured on yet. That was like day 3. I got downpoured on maybe a day or 2 ago. So thanks for tuning in. Always have one project after another. So this one's been plaguing me for probably about the last 6 to 9 months, but I happen to knock this one out, and now on to other projects. So stay tuned. It's always interesting at the Brower household. All right, catch you on the next clip. Bye.